What is up, people? First things first, I did have a bit of a subscriber jump. I saw y'all. Thanks, guys. I'm on the road to get to 100. So yeah, if you're watching this video, don't forget to subscribe. But yeah, so I'm doing this video. During this video, I'm gonna do a review on that blow dry bonnet thingy that you've been seeing people with. I ordered one on Amazon. And I'm also gonna try a raw honey and extra virgin olive oil treatment. So let's talk about Miss Tubman. There is a reason that I have been wearing this more. I think in like around Christmas 2017, my hair was at its healthiest. Like, I don't think I've ever had my hair be that healthy. I was just loving life and I got too comfortable and I stopped babying my hair and let it do its own thing. And with 4C low porosity hair, that's not a good idea. So now my hair is very damaged in the crown area, especially. It's really dry, it's really brittle, it really makes me sad. I literally was looking at it and crying, like, what happened? You backtracked, but it's okay. So I have ordered some products I'm gonna be trying out that I think will help, and I'm gonna be doing reviews, so hopefully you guys can go on this growth journey with me again. So yeah, I'm going to go wash my hair and I'm gonna create the hot oil honey treatment. So let's jump into the video. Oh my god, you guys! Oh, my hair's still wet. I just literally slapped myself in the eye. But I really wish I would have showed you guys how dry my hair was before I did this, but I was kind of embarrassed. But I wish I would have for dramatic effect, because oh my god! Bruh, like, I don't know if it was the blow dryer thing or if it was the oil treatment with the honey, but the combination of the two is doing great things for my hair. It feels so moisturized. Like, my hair was so dry that by now it would have dried, air dried. It's like sucking hot water up so fast, and it's like still wet. I'm so happy. Oh my god, guys! And my birthday's tomorrow, and I just have a feeling that I'm gonna have a great hair day. Yes, I'm about to be 28 tomorrow, so happy birthday to me. Well, actually, oh, it's still 11 something, but yeah. So overall, my review is I freaking love that blow dryer thing, and it definitely makes my hair feel like when you go to the hair salon and they sit you under the hooded dryer. The only thing I would say about it is it gags you because I legit feel like pain here. And then if you use your blow dryer on like the highest setting, because I know some blow dryers only have one setting, so that kind of sucks. The blow dryer had more than one setting heat wise, but it kind of can burn your ears. Like I feel like when I had it on the highest, my ear was about to legit like scar, so I had to turn it down a notch. But other than that, and it looks kind of funky, but who cares? But other than that, I would definitely say order that thing, because especially if you're a 4C girl and you have low porosity hair, because I just feel like I've never had that good of a condition ever. Love it. I will definitely be doing some more honey and olive oil treatments. Just make sure you get raw organic honey and extra virgin olive oil. So I'll definitely be doing that with the cap. I did go back in with some conditioner, as you guys can tell. I wish I kind of wouldn't have done so much because I'm not sure what made my hair feel great specifically, but I'm just gonna do all three. Love where my hair is going, guys. It's like I almost could do a wash and go. Nah, that's a lie. 4C girls can't do wash and goes. But I'm gonna go throw some twists in here, and maybe tomorrow I will do a slow-mo because I already did a twist out video with the same products I'm gonna use, so I'm not gonna record it again. But yeah, so I'll just throw some twists in here, and maybe tomorrow, if I have time, I'll do a quick slow-mo so you guys can see the results of my twist out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and please leave in the comments if you are a 4C girl, leave in the comments the conditioner you use, because I would love to try it, especially if you're a 4C low porosity girl. So if you found some conditioning things that work great in your hair, maybe it'll work good in mine, so please leave it in the comment section below. But yeah, see you guys next video. Hasta luego. What is up, people? Tis I, Venice, not like the freaking beach. And today is my birthday. Happy birthday!